Good morning, all of you. Doing something live streaming along with Zoom live class. So many others who are live, not in the Zoom class, but in the YouTube will also be checking with us. Just give me a second, please. I'm just saying all. Good morning, all of you. Here we are live today to discuss all the model papers, to do the ABC analysis and everything about the upcoming CMA final exam that is scheduled on 15th of July. And when I announce that I'm taking a live, students are like, we are watching all your recorded revision videos, but we are not ready yet to attend this class. So honestly speaking, I have also been a student like all of you for 4 years till I became a CA in the year 2000. 99 November, I wrote my last exam. Definitely, jitna bhi time hai, we will never be full ready for the exam. But when that distance is reducing, automatically that pressure is a very positive pressure, and that helps you to focus more, to study well, and super perform and outperform in exam. So trust yourself. You all have worked hard for months attending regular classes of 2 hours every day, right? The batch is already over. Now, trust yourself, trust the process of the teacher. These coming 2 hours are definitely going to be the most valuable 2 hours. The reason of taking this live is so that if you have any doubts, you can comment and we can clear it, right? Okay. So here we share the screen with you. 1 minute. So the schedule is, let me discuss the paper pattern and everything for those who are writing in the new syllabus 2022, then those who are writing in the old syllabus, and then we will discuss all the model papers. I assume that you have prepared for once and you have gone through all the revision videos. If not, pause this and go through the revision videos. If not, okay, chalo, watch this MCQs and all. And those who are writing CA final exam in the upcoming November and you have taken the coaching with us, please continue watching this. Forget about the paper pattern being different, but the inputs what you're going to get. With every question, I'll try to touch up what is most important for presentation, what comes repeatedly, and I will be revising the concepts also, right? It's not just solving, I'll be revising the concept also. So lot of inputs you will get in today's class. Okay, right. Let us begin now. First, I'm sharing the screen and we are writing the paper pattern and the weightages of the topic which you are most wanting to do. Okay. And few things, dear students, as I start now, it's very important that when you are preparing the topics, you have to go in depth. I myself am taking this live in YouTube, but years I have been in teaching, and sitting at this place, I would never say anything wrong. So honestly, I'm saying YouTube lives, revision videos are super good for repetition. You have understood the concept of transfer pricing by attending routine classes. Now it is very important, okay, that it is like super good, I can say very, very good for you all to attend these live classes and revision classes, but very important is to take a systematic coaching and then watch these videos for the repetition, which will give you super confidence and required speed to complete your paper in 3 hours. Am I making it very clear? So what I'm teaching today is going to be very helpful to all of you, provided you have already taken a systematic coaching, right or not? Chalo, no problem. Let us begin now with the paper pattern so that your mindset is ready and how you're going to make a choice. Okay, one thing, dear students, those who are writing in new syllabus or old, talking about my subject, that is direct taxation, CMA final, CA final, there's no change in the syllabus. Absolutely no change in the syllabus. Okay. Except like in the new syllabus, they have added in the charitable trust one more topic, that is exit tax. If the trust is closing, then some concept like we have studied in slum sale, that's what they do. Okay. So there's no change in the syllabus. So even if I am discussing the model papers of new syllabus and then old, all of you should watch this, because I would be giving lot of weightage, which is going to give you the perfect mindset for exam. Time kabhi bhi sufficient nahi rehne wala, dear students. Study well, which you are already doing, and it's absolutely okay to go off track sometimes in the day, कि नहीं अब बहुत पढ़ लिया नहीं हो रही, or doubting yourself, or the mood going haywire. That's absolutely okay. We all are humans, we cannot avoid that, but very important is to bounce back, to come back. Are you coming back in hours? Are you taking days, or how it is? That just observe. Okay, chalo. Paper pattern for the 2022 syllabus, those who are writing it in the new syllabus. Okay, right. For you all, the bumper is question number 1. Section A. Your paper is divided into 3 parts. Section A or question number 1 is MCQs. और ये जो MCQs हैं, ये कितने MCQs हैं आपको? 12 questions of 2 marks each, that is 24 marks. Okay. Now section B is where you have got a choice. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 6 questions are there. Out of that, any 4 you have to attempt. So 4 questions of 15 marks each, that makes it 60 marks. Here you have a choice. But dear students, the question which you attempt, in that definitely you can start. Suppose I am attempting 5th question. A, B, C bits are there. 5, 5, 5. 3 questions are there. I know C bit well. Can I start with 5C? Yes. Then 5A and then 5B? Yes. But bits of the question should be solved together and write the question number properly. Some students, they write question number 5B. Then next page pe A. But kiska A? Question number 5A, like that. Okay. And this reminds me of maybe a very silly but very important 2 tips. By mistake, you write 800 instead of 600. Don't overwrite it. Scratch and write again. 1 tip. Second thing is, this calculator should be your best friend. If you want to complete the paper in 3 hours, use the same calculator which you have been using every day in the class. Learn all the functions of M plus, M minus, memory, recollect, so that you take the best benefit of all that. So you have a very good choice here in section B. And now section C. Section C. Section A is compulsory. Section A is compulsory. Section C is also compulsory. Can I request all of you, those who are attending live, to put a message, hello, and with your name, at least we should know who all are attending. Great to, do the recording with all of you. Always I record my revision videos and then I upload. This time I thought I should take live so that most of you can take the benefit of this. So keep commenting below, all clear or AC, and with your names, if you can comment, we'll come to know, right? Chalo. सेक्शन सी एंड ए आर कंपल्सरी. सो 24 मार्क्स के तो एमसीक्यूज हैं और उसमें भी एमसीक्यूज में भी 50% आर फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन ओनली. इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन यू ऑल नो द वेटेज इज 30 मार्क्स, बट इफ यू चेक चॉइस के साथ तो मोर देन 45-50 मार्क्स का पेपर, तो it looks like so much is coming from international taxation. Your C section is having question number 8, which is compulsory, and it is having 2 questions of 8 marks, that is 16 marks, and that makes it 100 marks. 12 MCQs of 2 marks each, where you just need not write the answer. You need to write the answer and justify it also. So justifying is also a skill. And then you have 4 questions of 50 marks, that is 60 marks, section B. And then you have 2 questions of 8 marks, that is 16 marks. Okay. Now in this question number C, compulsory, mostly they'll be asking you 1 question of MAT and 1 question of DTDA. Is this clear to all of you? In this 15 marks, the combination is 7 plus 8, 2 questions, or best one they are giving 5 marks small theory question, theory वहां भी आता है, और 10 marks का transfer pricing question, or 5 plus 5 plus 5. These are the combinations for 15 marks. Is this clear to all of you? Paper pattern. Any doubt, then put me a message. Because you know why I'm sparing so much time on this rather than just starting model test paper. Of course, I'll do, dear students. Please keep patience, because this is like preparing your mindset. Jab malum hai ki you have to attend the paper, you have got time to read it, to make a good choice, then make sure you prepare and go that you all are going to attempt MCQ super well with reasoning. One MCQ doesn't come, zid pe nahi chadna hai, koi ego fight nahi chal rahi. Leave it at that time and move ahead. Leave and move ahead. And you can definitely start with section B if you see some of the cup method question or some charitable trust question which you have seen earlier, MTP, RTP, or exactly same आया या हमारे notes में से आया जो हमने class में solve किए हैं. So definitely you can always start with what you know best so that you get that confidence. Okay. Now section C is for the question number A. Section C में question number 8 है MAT questions. You all know repeatedly they have been asking same. Unabsorbed depreciation, losses carry forward, whichever is lower, and this. And DTAA, either direct relief, if it is bilateral, or unilateral, then average rate, whichever is lower. So this is the mindset you need to prepare and go. Yeah, some case studies, if they ask, they'll be asking in these questions. So if you want, you can attempt, you can leave it in choice, and theory questions. Now the topics which are most important. Okay, most important topics. That is what we call it as ABC analysis. Dear students, when they have made the syllabus, they have made with a good mindset. So definitely you have to attempt everything in exam. So many students tell me, ma'am, I got 57, I got 58 because I attempted 80 marks direct taxation paper, because I attempted 85 marks. 85 मैम में से मुझे 58 मिले. मैम अगर मैं 100 मार्क्स का अटेम्प्ट करती ना, मुझे पक्का 60 तो मिल ही जाते, एग्जाम्शन मिलता, शायद ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं पढ़ना पड़ता. So very important is ABC analysis. First, I'm saying you start with your international taxation. Can't say how much it is important. 8 into 3, all the 3 topics, transfer pricing, 1 second, dear students. Okay, there was some disturbance in the Zoom, so I was just checking. Sorry for that. Chalo. Transfer pricing is most important. Two problems will come here. One compulsory from the cup method. Another generally comes as resale price method or your cost plus method. Just the format and then related questions also I have solved in the revision video. So do check that. And if they ask you TNMM or profit sharing, it's like bonus for you. Profit sharing method is that easy. Okay. Right. Next is after this transfer pricing, then second most important concept is your DTAA, which comes in your question number 8. And make sure DTAA, surely they'll ask you. Two types of questions are only there and so easy. Calculate the total income. If we have a bilateral agreement, then directly whatever tax I have paid in foreign country, I can deduct. If I don't have that DTAA agreement, then whichever is lower, I need to deduct. Okay, followed. So average rate of tax in India or average rate of tax in the foreign country. So this is the most important topic. Revise all the problems behind your study material and our academy's material also. Third, concept classes material is surely covering up all the concepts. And whenever I start with new method, I've given you the concept, the format, the steps, and then we have worked out. So you can take that benefit. After DTA, the next important topic which has got MCQ को मिला के किए ना तो कम से कम 10 marks का तो weightage है, non-resident. They'll ask you how to calculate the income of non-resident who has earned in India, who has earned in foreign country. Whatever he has earned in foreign country, he doesn't have to pay tax in India. But whatever is he has earned in India, he has to pay the tax. TDS is also deducted and so on, right? You remember we have done the mostly the non-resident problems which are very popular is that sportsmen, जिनका 194E में TDS कटता है, cricketers, entertainers who comes in India, or questions are asked generally for the royalty incomes in India for the NRS. It's not that only this comes, but this is what is the general trend. Now, the next upcoming is so transfer pricing, DTA, non-resident, these are three more important topics. One is GAR. Ma'am, आप सब पढ़ने बोल दो हम GAR नहीं पढ़ेंगे. GAR are general anti-avoidance rules. It looks tricky, little law-like language, but उसको some topic if it is technical there are two ways. छांट के पढ़ो जो important है. Like penalties and prosecutions. I put it directly in the C categories, penalties and prosecution. But ma'am, क्या C category छोड़ के जाएंगे? No. But what are the important penalties? 270A and all. Under reporting of income, under reporting of the taxes, 50%, misreporting 200. One problem is there popular. So at least do that and go. And what are the penalties in case of non-resident? 2% of the transaction value, 5 lakh if they don't maintain the document. Study that and go. समझ में आ रहा है? So in GAR is applicable only. GAR, secondary adjustments, these are applicable when some figures are there. So right, I am also going to make a chart and give it to you, but till then you make it like GAR 3 crores transaction benefit सबको हो रहा है, तो ही GAR is applicable. Huh? Primary adjustments is there. Secondary adjustment is done if it crosses 20 crores only then and all that. So like that, just do it. Don't miss out because it's very important topic. Coming to direct taxation, most important topic and compulsory asked question is MAT. And in your model papers, they have not given a single question, but very important, I feel, is the charitable trust. Charitable